Hello there, and welcome back to the Claire Codes channel. Today is actually part 4 of my MJML Mailchimp Let's Make a Template, email template series. I am aghast that I've actually gotten to part 4. I think it's been 4 or 5 months. Apologies to all who have watched the videos, the 3 parts before. And also thank you. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. This is my most popular series. So without further ado, let's actually jump into it. So right now I'm on MailChimp. I was actually surprised. It's been a while since I've logged in. They changed the dashboard, which is really cool. So now campaigns are located here on the left. These are all campaigns. And if you remember, because I don't even quite remember, let's go to our test campaign, the daily grind. This is what we were making. So if we click edit design, boop-a-doo, if it wants to load. Okay, cool. So now we're here, right? And this is what we made. This is all editable. We have some photos. We have our hipster lorem ipsum, which is beautiful. Okay, cool. And then we have our links down here. Looks good. Let's go back to the test campaign. Campaigns. Okay, see, I'm still trying to figure this out. Okay. See, edit. Oh, okay. So now I'm in campaigns, right? See, it's been a while. I actually want to go to email templates, but of course. So we have our example template, and this is the code, right? So I actually just opened the code for the first time in a long time. And so here we have it. Here is our index HTML, which we made from our MJML, if you remember. So if we go to the README, we can see that, we have yarn command. We have to run this. And then in part 1, I also showed you in order to make this compatible with MJML Mailchimp, there's actually something you have to edit in the node modules, which is very unfortunate. But so please watch part 1 to really get caught up to speed. But once again, I will include my Mailchimp tutorial. Yeah, the GitHub link will be provided. So let's actually jump into this. So I have my MJML config, which has to be added. And then I did a practice run. As you can tell, I ran yarn build, and it outputted MJML index MJML to index HTML, because that is the command in my script. Cool. So let's gather our HTML. Let's do Command A. Or actually, let's go live. So it's going to go, and this again is because I'm using Visual Studio Code. I can now see it in my browser. I like the way this looks. Happy with it. So let's gather all this. So I'm going to do Command A, get everything. Command C, copy. All right. Now let's go back here. Let's go away from example template and let's make a new template. All right. I literally have no audience, so again, in order to make your own template, you do have to pay for the premium, which is unfortunate. So let's create a template. This is the starting point. We're going to paste in our own code. And we're going to do Command A here and Command V. Oop, that's not what I wanted to do. Command A, Command V. Okay, and let's save, and hopefully what we made will show up. Cool. All right, so let's save and exit. And we're going to name this MJML Mailchimp tutorial. And then let's save it. Okay, let's go to all campaigns. And let's create a new campaign. Create our campaign. It's going to be an email campaign. Best campaign ever. So let's do that. Okay. Begin. And then we want to design the email. Save templates. We're going to use our new template that we just imported. And there we go. Okay, so let's hit preview. Enter preview mode. All right, this is looking good. I'm also going to send this. Okay, editing disabled. Okay, well, we don't really need to edit up. Oh, what happened here? Okay, that's good to know. So it's telling us that there's a duplicate MC edit ID. So let's actually fix that. Okay, so let's go back to our MJML. Let's go to our socials. Let's see. RMJ socials are fine. Let's go here, MSA edit. Oh, okay, so this should be, let's make this unsubscribe, and let's make this update. Okay, this is good. I think this is new for MailChimp because I've never seen it do this before. And we actually did this one right. Okay, so let's yarn build once again. Cool, we should have a new HTML. So let's Command A, Command C. Let's go back here. Let's go away from best campaign ever. Let's go to email templates. And we're actually going to create a new template. It's either create a new template or you have to create a new campaign, because once I edit the code, it usually doesn't update in the campaign unless they fixed it. So I'm just going to create a new campaign. Let's paste in the code. Command A, Command V, save and exit, edited template, save. Okay, all campaigns. Come on, best email template ever. Okay, edit. Let's edit the design. I think I might have clicked the wrong thing. Oh yeah, this is fine. Okay, template, switch templates. Save templates. We want this one. Change template. Okay. It might have actually updated it since we didn't edit anything. Okay, so now it is very happy. That's what we like to see. So let's see what happens. So today's news, you know, it's COVID. We want some good news. Okay, save and close that. That's working. Let's edit the photo. Let's replace. And we need a file. So I have this file here. So I'm just going to drag that down so it actually is on my desktop. Actually, you know what? Let's do something fun. Campaign template. Let's upload a file. Let's upload a picture of my face. All right, cool. That looks good. Let's preview. Still looking good. Let's exit out of that. Okay, we're going to do something very exciting. We are going to both send a test email, and I'm going to send it to Claire Codes Websites at gmail.com, because that is my professional email. So if you want, please email me if you have any questions about anything. All right, we're going to send the test there. Okay, and then let's also enter preview mode. And let's go to inbox. So we have 25 tokens. I think definitely testing is really important, okay? Cannot stress this enough. And we're really going to focus on Outlook. So, yeah, why don't we test on iPad, an iPhone, an Android? Sure. Let's just check. How many are we checking now? Because again, each one of these takes a token. And a token, you can also get Litmus. I'll show you what that is. And then you have like, once you pay for it, you have like unlimited testing within the site. I'm not sure what the pricing is. Okay, so it's $100. So that's really good to know. When I was making this for my company, my last company, they actually were paying for it. So I had no clue what they were paying. All right, let's go back to our campaign. So we're going to test. Testing in 4. Yeah, okay. Add 4 clients. I don't think, if we're doing iPhone, we don't need iPad. Okay. Boom. It's doing it. This always stresses me out because I'm like, I used up a token. Okay, while that's waiting, let me check. All right, so as we can see, something funky is happening with Outlook. We don't like that. Let's look at iPhone. I'm very happy with that. Let's look at Android. Once again, good. Okay. So let's figure out what is going on with Outlook. So I think I'm going to try one thing. I just realized I forgot to do. So we have our index HTML. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all of this and I'm going to add it into a CSS Inliner tool. So this actually just, inlining is when all of your styling is going within the HTML itself. So we're going to paste it here. And this is actually for MailChimp. And then let's convert. Okay, so this is our inlined. So it still keeps it in the styles. But then as you can see, if we scroll, it also kind of, it injected it into the HTML itself. So I'm going to Command A, Command C, and then I'm going to make a new file. Let's just call it inlined.html. Let's paste the inlined here, and let's save that. And we still have it copied. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to go to Campaign Builder. So we know this didn't quite work, right? All right. So let's go back, and we're going to create campaigns, email templates. And so as you can see, this can sometimes get kind of messy. So paste in your code. And let's Command A, Command V. Let's save. Let's make sure that this looks the same. It does, even though it's inlined. So we have this all saved. Let's save the template. Let's do it. Daily grind inlined. Save. Let's go to campaigns. Again, I kind of apologize because I, could have tested this before, but I've been really busy over the past few months, and due to COVID, there's just been a lot of work. The workload has definitely increased. So let's create a new email. Let's call this bestest campaign ever. Begin. Okay. We are going to design the email. We're going to do save templates, daily grind inlined. Let's edit this guy, replace with you, or with me, I guess. All right, now let's preview. Let's enter preview mode. Let's go to inbox. Let's get started. We have 22 tokens now. Remember, we just want to do Outlook 2019. Don't want to use up all our tokens. So again, we're wishing for the best. Let's hope that the inlined. Okay, we're going to add one client, and it's working. Okay, and as you can see, that worked. It did not work for this. Okay, so good to know. Let's go back and let's see. Let's see if we edit this. 500 by 400. Okay. Let's replace it with this. All right. I think it's saying 100 pixels by anything. All right, now let's preview. Enter preview mode. And let's update. Let's see if it's really just we need to put in new images for it to work. That's what I'm hoping. Okay. So unfortunately, the way this is set up, you would have to upload new images, like use these just as your starter template, and then keep going from there. So I hope that's helpful. Let's also, before we sign off, we have more tokens. Let's keep testing. Let's make sure this looks good in everything. Let's add a new client. Let's add Gmail Chrome, AOL Chrome, Outlook Chrome, Yahoo Chrome. Add 4 clients. Definitely try to figure out where your clients are coming from. Unfortunately, Outlook is a prominent, mail service that people use, and it does not always like people. All right, let's look. AOL Chrome, love the ads. Gmail Chrome, cool. But it's always good to check and to try if you have friends with different emails to send them to the emails to them, and because you never know. And then let me go to my Claire Codes email. Got all the YouTube thing. Best campaign ever. Cool. Not sure I'm liking the subscribe and unsubscribe though. Let's make sure. But as we can see, the date came in, which is cool. And let's see, I think these should work. Okay, let's see, Yahoo. Okay, Yahoo looks great. So let's try to figure out what's going on here. Let's go back to our campaign builder. Let's go back to campaigns. Let's go to email templates. Let's go to our daily grind inline. Let's edit that. So you can also edit right within here. So let's scroll down to the bottom. So let's do MC date, or let's do current year. So let's go back to template, copyright, current year. Let's save all that. Okay. Let's go back to our campaigns. Let's go to email, sorry, all campaigns was good. All right, let's go to best campaign ever. Let's edit the design. See if that all came in, because we did change the template. Okay, current year is there. That's good to see. Let's preview. Let's send a test email. Send test. Okay. And let's see if there's anything else. Oh, this time it came to my promotions. That's silly. So we have copyright 2020. That's good. These still are not coming in. I do not like that. Do not like that, Sam I am. Enter preview mode. Okay, so basically because it is just a template and it's being sent, this actually was not working, but as you can see, we can actually update them. And the way I would do this is actually, let's go back. So I think just through the, this was something I just found out, through the test email, you can't see it, but let's go to bestest campaign ever and let's add recipients, if I can say that. Choose an audience. Okay, my audience now has 2 contacts and 2 subscribers. Both are me. All right, bestest campaign ever. 2 recipients. Add subject. Subject. Hello. Save. We're not going to go over subjects, but you can actually add like emojis and stuff, which is very cool. And boom, boom, boom. We're not going to add a form. Never sent this here. It's a draft. Oh, add from. Okay, it's from. Yes. Okay, so we're sending it to 2 recipients. It's from me. Send. Send now. Oh, this is very exciting. Okay, and we can track our stats. Let's see if I open it for myself. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, this is our, and as we can see, it's working. So this is what it looks like. And let's see, we can subscribe. And that's how we would subscribe to CF Design. We can unsubscribe, we can update our profile. Cool. All right, I'm happy with this. I hope you're happy. I know we had some, things, and obviously if this was a real read more, we'd want to link it to the actual site. Let's see, we could probably find this person on these different social medias. We also fixed the email, the date, which was great. I'll definitely upload this new code to into the cloud. No, up to GitHub. And thank you for just bearing with me throughout this whole process. I really appreciate it. I will try to get videos out faster in the future. And yeah, I hope you learned something. I learned something. And that is MJML Mailchimp signing off. Like and subscribe if you want. Goodbye. Have a good night or morning or afternoon. Okay, hi again. This is Claire. I just wanted to show one of the features that I forgot to talk about. So again, we made these sections editable. So we can actually add sections here. Boop-a-doo. Let's add another section. And let's make this instead of top section in the middle section. And let's make this instead of top section the bottom section. Cool. And then I'm just going to quickly edit that. Let's replace my beautiful photo. And let's edit that. And let's replace, wow, what a photo. Okay, and then if we preview, we can see we have all our sections there. Okay, that was the last thing I wanted to say. Again, have a great day. Bye. And I'm on a roll.